from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
New restrictions on data center development, and a community celebrates a historic black schoolhouse. We'll tell you about these stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, June 11th, 2025. A hot one is ahead today with a high of 90 under mostly sunny skies. Today's News Minute is brought to you by Glenmore Yoga and Wellness Center.
And now for the news.
As expected, last night the Henrico Board of Supervisors passed new guidelines for hyperscale data center development that will require any such proposals to receive a provisional use permit before they can take shape. That process requires a public hearing. Previously, those large data centers were permitted to be built by right in a number of zoning classifications in the county, but officials wanted to make the change to restrict where they could locate after several proposals have popped up near residential areas. Former students of a historic black schoolhouse in Henrico County gathered over the weekend for a celebration. The Chatsworth School in Verina was one of 23 supervised by Henrico educator Virginia Randolph years ago. It was founded back in 1908. It had no running water or electricity, but despite the lack of amenities, it became an anchor for the surrounding community, according to those who were part of it. The Antioch Baptist Church bought the school back in 2000 and began refurbishing it in 2019. That restoration work was officially celebrated on June 7th, along with the unveiling of a plaque commemorating the school as a National Historic Landmark. Our Report for America education reporter Leanna Hardy was there and has a complete look at the history of the school and what it means to those who attended. You can read that article right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Collaboration between public and private agencies, volunteers, and other stakeholders has transformed Virginia's ability to provide immediate behavioral health services to people in need statewide, according to Governor Glenn Youngkin, who made those remarks during a ribbon-cutting ceremony for a new Youth for Tomorrow location in Henrico's West End yesterday. Bipartisan efforts have resulted in the investment of about $1.5 billion into the system during Youngkin's time in office, and the implementation of his administration's Right Help Right Now initiative has paid significant dividends, he told those who were gathered at the YFT location at 2810 North Parham Road near Tucker High School. Officials have worked to better connect the 988 Suicide and Crisis Hotline with the state's 911 system, and now 50 local 911 systems are fully integrated. The state also recently witnessed a 44% decline in overdose deaths, leading the nation in year-over-year percentage declines in those deaths. We got complete coverage from yesterday's statements by Youngkin. You can read those right now and learn more about YFT's location at our website, henricocitizen.com. Henrico resident Kristen Schatzline recently was inducted into the Connecticut Women's Basketball Hall of Fame. Schatzline was a 2012 graduate of Tolland High School in the state. She was the Gatorade Connecticut Girls Basketball Player of the Year as a senior in high school, then played 4 years at Division I Fairfield University. She finished her high school career as the school's leading scorer with more than 1,700 points. Schatzline works as a registered nurse in Henrico. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Glenmore Yoga and Wellness Center in the West End. Embark on a path to wellness for body and mind. Glenmore offers yoga, Pilates classes customized to suit individual needs, as well as therapeutic methods, massage, energy, and sound therapy, as well as comprehensive training programs. Call them at 804-741-5267 or visit glenmoreyoga.com.